if you take a look at this number, this block over here, you see it says go to x0, y0.
Yes, please.
Right. So for the x, we can put a number for the x that will be equal to a number on the x-axis, okay? The x-axis is the horizontal line. So let me choose the... this one.
Shoot, put it at the top. Oh.
Okay, so you can see that there is the x and the y line here. You see it?
Yes, please.
Right. So I have showed you how you can identify the numbers for each point. So if I draw a dot over here, if I draw a dot over here, can you tell me the x and the y number? I showed you how to identify the numbers. Audrey, look at the dot and tell me the numbers for x and y. You see the red dot over here?
Yes.
What is the x and the y number?
What's the one you look on the? This is the x-axis. This is the y-axis. So the x, where is it pointing?
The X.
Yes. Where is it pointing? Where is it on the x-axis? What of the y? So tell yourself.
100.
Very good. So whenever you want to identify the numbers, draw a line, okay? Draw a straight line from the dots to the x-axis. The number that you get is the number for the x. Then you draw another line from the dots to the y-axis. The number you get is the number for the y. Okay?
Okay.
So in this instance, x is 100, y is also 100. Okay?
Okay.
So it means that when I put 100 in the x over here, and I put another 100 in the y over here, what will happen to the cat? the 100 for X and the 100 for Y means that the dot is over here. And then this block, which says go to X and Y, what it does is that it gives the cat an instruction to go to the position for X and the position for Y we have specified here. We have written here. Okay, so when I click on go to X and Y, what will happen to the cat? Who can tell me?
The cat.
It will be moving.
Moving to where?
It will be moving to the middle.
To where the point is.
Audrey.
It will be moving where the dot is.
Right. Why?
Because it is already at the middle. And when it's at the middle, it will be going straight to the dot.
Okay, okay. Your reason is good, but that is not the correct answer. Yes, Daniela.
It will go to the dot.
Okay, Daniela says it will go to the position of the dot.
X and Y.
Right. So, Audrey, did you hear that? Audrey. Audrey.
Yes, please.
Did you understand what Daniela said?
No, please.
Okay. Giovanni, can you also explain how you understand it? Audrey.
Yes, please.
The reason why, you see the dot over here.
Okay.
What is the X and the Y number for that dot?
100.
100, right?
Yeah.
For X,
Yes.
it is 100. For Y, it is
Yes.
also 100.
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes.
So it means that when we have an X and Y position and we type 100 for the X and we type 100 for the Y, it will bring us to where this dot is. Do you understand?
Yes, please.
Okay. So this block, what it does is that they go to X and Y. It goes to the position X and Y 100, 100. Okay.
Okay.
So,
Sir, please. Sir, please, good afternoon.
good afternoon. So go
Sir,
to
please, good
X,
afternoon.
go to X and Y.
Sir.
Good afternoon, Jeremy. Go to X and Y, the numbers we put there, it will send us to that position on the graph over here. Do you understand?
Yes, please.
Right. Okay, so if I put negative 100 and negative 100 here. Okay, no, wait, let me put 100 here.
Go scratch.
Go to X 100 and go to Y 100. Do you see it? The cat goes to the position of the dot.
Yes, please.
Right. So if I go to X negative 100 and go to Y negative 100, where will the cat go to? Look at the graph and tell me where the cat will go to.
How would the cat go to? Negative 100 on the X. Where is negative 100 on X?
Negative
100 on the X. And where is negative 100 on Y? This. So where would they meet when you draw the line? Where you draw the line, where would they meet? No. Negative 100 on X. Audrey, see. On the X is negative 100. This
All
is
of you
negative
should
100.
do it.
This is negative 100 on the X.
To identify the point, draw your lines. Okay, draw your lines. All of you should get a book and draw the graph in it.
Yeah. Draw the graph.
Draw the graph, this graph, the X
graph,
and the Y graph. The graph you see here, draw the same thing in your book.
Is that how you drew the other graph? Is that how you drew the first one?
Okay, so we have 100 here. Let's do this together. 100, 100. Okay, so I said negative 100. Okay, so negative 100 on the x-axis is here. You see it? Let me draw the point for you.
You see where the negative 100 is? Right.
100 here, 100 on the x, and 100 on the y. So after your 100, draw a line from here to here, okay? And then draw a line from here to here. Where the two lines meet, is
What do
where
the two
your
lines mean?
100, your point will be.
What do the
You
two lines
understand?
mean?
Is it difficult?
What?
Is it difficult what we are doing?
Is that where the two lines meet?
Okay, then this is what we'll do. We are going to use the board. So let me stop sharing my screen.
So it's going to use the board to illustrate it to show you how it is done. Okay, pay attention. It's late a little bit for you. Don't pay attention, I will cut you to him. It's going to
Can you see the board? Can we see the board?
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
pay attention. Stop playing with anything that you're doing. Pay attention.
Okay. So what I am saying is that we have two lines, okay? There are two lines. One that goes like this. This one is the horizontal line. Okay, this is called horizontal line. I hope you understand this part.
Yes.
And Audrey, do you understand this one?
Yes.
Okay. So after the horizontal line, we have another line that goes through the horizontal line. Okay, this is called the vertical line. Do you remember?
Do you remember?
Yes, please.
Right. So, and I also showed you how to number it, okay? Okay, I also showed you how to number it. The numbering depends on you. Okay, so I want two numbers on my graph. I want 100, 200, okay, and then 300. Right? This is the positive side. Okay, this is the positive side. And for the vertical line, this is the positive side. So we have 100, 200, 300. Okay. And for this side, it is the negative for y. Okay, so this is the y line. The vertical line is the y line. Audrey, are you paying attention?
Yes.
The vertical line is the y line. Okay, so negative 100, negative 200, negative 300. And then the negative x line is this side. So we have negative 100, negative 200, negative 300.
Writing like four.
Okay, so now I said I have given you two numbers, okay? The first one was 100, 100. Okay, so 100, 100. When you write it, we have 100 here, and then we have another 100 here. This is the x, and this is the y. I hope you know that one as well.
Yes, please.
Right. So if I say locate the point of 100, 100 on the x and the y axis, you are going to look at the x number, okay? So you look at the x number and it is over here. So from here, and then you can see that it is positive, okay? So the x line is positive over here. Okay, so we are going to draw a straight dashed line up like this because the x is positive over here. Then for the y, it is also positive, 100. So you come here because 100 is positive over here on the y. The whole of this side is positive. Then you draw another line over here. Okay, so where your two lines meet, here, where your two lines meet is where your dot will be. Do you understand?
Yes, please.
Okay, so I am going to give you one more number. Show me where the point will be. Can you do that?
Can you do that? Tell him the time.
No, please.
You can't do it.
Yes, please.
Okay, let's do one together. So we have, if I write the numbers, $200, $200. How are we going to go about finding where the dot will be, Audrey?
Where is 200 on the x-axis? That is negative 200.
Where is 200 on the x-axis?
Listen,
Is it this one?
that's the y-axis. You ask me a question.
At the X place.
This one?
Yes, please.
Okay. So we are going to draw a straight line from here up, okay? Then we also need to find the 200 on the y-axis. Where is it?
Where's 200 on the y-axis?
200.
Yes,
200.
on the y-axis. Okay.
Jeremy,
Sir.
where is 200 on the y-axis?
Watch.
Huh?
So please find the two lines meet.
So show me where 200 is. Is it this one or this one or this one?
Which one?
Let me label it A, B, C. Which one is it?
Oh, ABC. Which one is it?
A.
A.
Sit
Are you
one. And face the computer.
No, C.
Audrey, which one is it?
C. C.
C, very good. Because this one is negative, this one is negative. So it is not 200. It is negative 200. So from here, we are going to draw a straight line. Okay. So where the two lines meet is where our dot will be. Do you understand? Then we write 200 here, 200 here. This is how you do it. Do you understand it now?
Yes.
Giovanni, do you understand?
Yes, please.
Audrey, do you understand it?
Yes, please.
Okay, so I am going to give you one to do right now. Do it in your book. Let's do it together. So I have negative 100 and 200. Where will it be? I am going to label the numbers, okay? I'm going to label the numbers so that you use the labels to identify them. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J,
So negative 100.
L. So negative 100 and 200, which ones will it be? If you know it, you
Negative
raise your
100.
hand and I
Which
call
will it
you.
be? Where's negative 100? Exercises.
So
Which one?
when
one is the
I
exercise?
give you the numbers, you first label the numbers.
So where's negative 100?
X and Y. But this is
This is
negative,
what they're saying.
X. Okay. Then you go to the negative X on the graph. Then you look for negative 100. Then you go to Y, the positive Y, because it is positive. Then you look for the number.
Listen first.
Okay. So first, when I give you the numbers, you write the numbers down.
Is the letter with Y?
Daniela, what do you say?
The letter after K is Y.
This one. This one.
Yes.
J.
Yes.
It is J.
Which one is the D? The D
So
is
show me
this
where
one.
negative
This one.
100 and 200 will be. For negative 100, who can mention the letter for me?
Where is negative 100? On the x-axis. Where is it? On the x. Where is the x? So what letter is, what alphabet is there?
C, okay.
What
Okay,
alphabet is
which
there?
one is it?
C.
C. Daniela, which one is it?
C.
C. Audrey, do you also say C?
Yes, please.
Okay, so negative 100 for X. is over here. Okay. So what we have to do is that we have to draw a straight line through this. Okay. Your line can go from the bottom to the top. Then we need to identify 200. Where is 200 on the Y?
Where is it? Show me on the Y. Where is it?
200 on the Y.
200 is positive. So where is it?
Mention the letter for me.
K.
K.
K, very good. So from K, we need to draw our line towards the first line. Okay, so we'll draw the lines like this. Where the two lines meet.
Where do the two lines meet?
Here. Do you see where the two lines meet?
Yes.
Right. So that is where our dot will be. So in the go to X and Y block, if we use these numbers, the cat will show up here. Do you understand? Do you understand?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Yes.
Yes. So when the meeting ends, all of you should rejoin.
Right.
Draw.
Draw what is on the board.
So you can write what is here. You are going to use